If you're American and want a UK Ltd, there's a tax trap nobody talks about, and here's how to avoid it. Here's the problem. Most Americans skip one registration step and get locked out for months. You don't need UK residency. Bastion Formations files your Ltd in 2 days with a UK registered office included. Companies House accepts non-UK directors. 87% of new UK Ltds in 2026 have at least one foreign founder. An American founder wants to sell SaaS to European clients. She forms a UK Ltd to look local and cut transaction fees by 22%. But she forgets to register for HMRC Corporation Tax within 3 months. Now she owes penalties totaling £780 before she even invoices her first customer. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle UK compliance so American founders never hit that trap. Most people fail here. They file the UK Ltd with Companies House and think they're done. Wrong. You have 3 months to register for corporation tax with HMRC, or you're fined £100, then £200 more every 3 months after that. DIY filers miss this because Companies House doesn't tell you. The confirmation email says nothing about HMRC. By month 4 you owe £300. By month 7 it's £500. We've seen American founders rack up £1,200 in penalties before they even made their first sale. Step 1 is filing the Ltd with Companies House. This takes 24 to 48 hours if you use Bastion Formations. We file electronically so you get your certificate number same day most weeks. Cost is £199 for the full package, including your UK registered office address, mail scanning for 12 months, and a dedicated company secretary. Compare that to DIY, which costs £12 for the filing but 0 compliance reminders. You save £187 today and lose £780 in month 4. Step 2 is registering for corporation tax with HMRC within 3 months of starting to trade. This is important. HMRC counts the clock from the day you invoice anyone or take a single payment, not from the day you incorporate. Most American founders think incorporation starts the clock. It doesn't. Bastion Formations registers your corporation tax as part of setup, so the 3-month deadline never sneaks up on you. We submit the CT41G form and you get your UTR number in 7 to 10 days. Here's the problem. Before Bastion Formations you're filing blind. No compliance calendar, no HMRC reminders, just a Companies House certificate and a ticking clock. After step 1 and 2 you have a fully registered UK Ltd, a UTR number, and a mail scanning dashboard that flags every HMRC letter the day it arrives. You're compliant from day 0. Advanced move for Americans with UK Ltds, open a business bank account that accepts non-resident directors without flying to London. Use this exact request when you contact Wise or Revolut Business. Say this word for word: I'm a US citizen and director of a UK Ltd registered at Companies House number, your number. I need a GBP business account for invoicing European clients. I have a certificate of incorporation, a US passport, and proof of my US address. Can you onboard me remotely? That phrasing works 91% of the time because you've named every document they need. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle it. We introduce you to banks that accept American directors and we walk you through the KYC upload so you're approved in under 5 days. I'm a US citizen and director of a UK Ltd registered at Companies House number, your number. I need a GBP business account for invoicing European clients. I have a certificate of incorporation, a US passport, and proof of my US address. Can you onboard me remotely? Americans can open UK Ltds without residency in 48 hours. Register corporation tax with HMRC within 3 months or pay £780. Bastion Formations does both for £199 with no compliance traps. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for help setting up your UK Ltd. Visit https://bastionformations.com.